Good morning, friends. Here it is, the first Monday of the month, the first Monday of March. And in less than a week, we're going to be turning the clocks forward an hour. The robins are already back. So I don't know about you, but I am totally ready to do a little reset. And I'm not doing it for weight loss. I'm doing, even though the average weight loss tends to be about 6 pounds, that is not my primary reason for doing this. And I'm doing it for one day only. We have a 3-day reset, which I divide up into individual portions. And so on the first Monday of each month, Jeff and I have made it a habit to hit the reset button. So what that's doing is that is helping our bodies to weed, seed, and feed the gut on an accelerated level, to actually boost our metabolic rate, to support our body in every way, to really turn back the clock, if you will, because as far as I'm concerned, this is the best kept secret when it comes to healthy aging. It's that intermittent fasting, which in our case is nutritionally supported with everything the body can need for the day, except for a cup of coffee. We do add our own. And it's just so simple to do and effective. The difference is night and day. The energy you get from this, the mood, the lift, the enthusiasm, any inches around your waist that are kind of bloated are gone. You'll see it in your face. You'll see it in the sparkle in your eyes. And we're just starting this morning. So I wanted to show you something. Okay, this is the box it comes in. All right. And actually, for my American friends, we have a free reset available right now. And for my Canadian friends, you can get the equivalent in product credit if you wanted to purchase a triplex and different things. Anyways, enough about individual product, but just let me tell you, there is an incredible incentive right now to save a huge amount of money. And it's not expensive to begin with. Anyways, so here's what's going into my day today. I created I got a pouch here to put everything into, and I organize it. And it starts with the Hydroplex, which I had first thing this morning before going to the gym. I had my Hydroplex first, and I had one BioCleanse, and I drank this down, then had 1 cup of coffee, sat with Jeff, reflected, planned my day, and out the door, went to the gym. So Hydroplex. The next thing I'm going to have after I take Teddy for a walk, because he comes first right now, when I get back, I'm going to break my fast with a gorgeous, delicious chocolate plexus lean shake. And that's going to fuel me for the next few hours. And so I'm going to put that in the bag, saving that. And then the next piece I'm going to have mid-morning is going to be my Slim. Now, this is my hunger control version of it, and this is the Slim Activating Microbiome, which helps to really help balance blood sugar in the body, to metabolize glucose. It also has prebiotics in it, an abundant amount of a very special type of prebiotic to help us digest and nurture healthy microbiome. There's many reasons. It's also really supportive for cardiovascular health. My blood pressure has improved. So that's going to be around 11 o'clock. And then lunch today is going to be a collagen bone broth. Absolutely delicious, simple. I have a little whisk that I blend it up with hot water, and I sip on that at lunch. And you know, if you like to flavor things your own way, put a bit of hot sauce in it, put a bit of cayenne seasoning, whatever you like, okay? Putting that in the bag. After that, this afternoon, mid-afternoon, when I get the hangries, I don't know about you, but I definitely do. So this is active. I'm going to be having that this afternoon, along with the Smart Snack, which is from a matcha green tea protein combination. It's delicious. It is satisfying. I'll have this and this together, between 3 and 4 o'clock. And it is going to absolutely lift me at that point, because I won't have eaten since I had my collagen soup at lunch. Then I'll be having this mid-afternoon when I need it most. Gets me right over the hump of the day, sustains me until dinner. And then for dinner tonight, I'm going to have this collagen tomato soup. It is creamy and delicious. Again, using a little whisk, using hot water, mixing it up smooth and creamy, and I will be sipping on that probably around 6 p.m. and enjoying it thoroughly. And then, before going to bed, there's one more product that comes with the system, and that is Restore. Restore is like a little miracle product. It's only available in the 3-day reset, and it does things that absolutely satisfy any hunger. You can sleep through the night like a baby. It's really incredible. You have to experience it to know what I'm talking about. So that's going to be how I end my day, and you can make it hot or cold. I like to warm mine up and have it like a hot tea in the evening, and then I'm going to practice healthy hygiene. That means getting to bed at the right time, not staying up late. That means hydrating, lots of water today, and then taking my supplements before I go to bed. And because I like to do this, I always have a little Plexus Sleep Gummy. I pop that in my mouth when I turn off the light, and then it's nighty-night. So this, if you have never done a reset, if you're thinking, maybe I don't want to do one for 3 days, maybe I don't need to lose weight, well, this is your chance to say, well, how could I do that? How could I just do 1 day of an intermittent fast that's nutritionally supported, that there's no guesswork, everything's connected? Well, this is your game, okay? I'm happy to answer any questions you have, help you get one for yourself, put it to the test. After all, it is a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you certainly can't lose by tasting something so good. And the results speak for themselves. What I'm doing is I'm gathering testimonials. I'm looking for people to experience this so that they can help me shout it from the rooftops as much as I do and more. I want to help a lot of people right now. That's it, guys. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye for now.